If you want to work on any international ship, you need one certificate. Without it, no shipping company will hire you. It's called STCW. And in the next 5 minutes, I'll explain exactly what it is and how to get it. Welcome to IMT, International Maritime Training. Today we're covering STCW, the standards of training, certification, and watchkeeping for seafarers. Whether you're just starting your maritime career or looking to advance, this video is for you. STCW is essential for all seafarers. It ensures safety, efficiency, and professionalism at sea. Let's break it down into a few simple steps. First, understand the purpose of STCW. It sets training standards for seafarers. This ensures all crew members are qualified and safe to work on ships. Next, know the components of STCW. It includes training in basic safety, firefighting, and survival skills. Each course prepares you for real-life situations at sea. Then, explore the certification process. You must attend approved training courses. After completing the courses, you'll take an exam to earn your certificate. Once you have your STCW certificate, it opens doors for maritime careers. You can apply for various roles on international vessels. This certification makes you a competitive candidate. For example, imagine you want to work as a deckhand on a cargo ship. Without STCW, potential employers won't consider your application. With it, you show you have the necessary skills and knowledge. In summary, STCW is a crucial certification for anyone in the maritime industry. It establishes safety protocols, prepares you for challenges, and enhances your job prospects. Without it, your chances of employment diminish significantly. Ready to start your maritime journey? Enroll in an STCW training course today. Visit our website for more information and to register. Your maritime career awaits.